Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to use the right click on HP ELITEBOOK 855. So, when you have your mouse, just click the right click on your mouse, and when you don't, then click the top corner, right corner of your touchpad. As you can see, we have here a few options. For example, how you want to view the icons, sort your icons, refresh the screen, create new folder shortcut, open the display setting, personalize, open the graphic card, open terminal, and show more options. And here you have even more options. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.